Welcome to TravelTube. If you're dreaming of an affordable European escape that's as exciting as it is budget-friendly, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore 5 inexpensive cities in Europe that are perfect for a quick getaway. Let's get started. First up, we have Belgrade, Serbia. This city is a melting pot of history and modern energy, with plenty to offer budget-conscious travelers. Explore the Kalemegdan Fortress and enjoy stunning views of the confluence of the Sava and Danube rivers. Wander through the cobblestone streets of Skadarlija, Belgrade's bohemian quarter, where you can experience traditional Serbian music, hearty meals, and a lively atmosphere. Belgrade is also known for its vibrant nightlife. From cozy kafanas to riverside clubs, there's something for everyone, and at a fraction of the cost you'd find in Western Europe. Next, we're heading to Budapest, Hungary. This city is a dream destination for those on a budget. From soaking in historic thermal baths to cruising along the Danube River, there's so much to experience without emptying your wallet. Budapest is actually 2 cities, Buda and Pest, divided by the Danube River. Each side has its own charm, whether it's the historic grandeur of Buda or the bustling nightlife of Pest. Pro tip: many of Budapest's best attractions, like Fisherman's Bastion, are completely free to visit. Plus, public transport here is cheap and super efficient. And don't miss the famous ruin bars, unique, eclectic spots built into abandoned buildings. Drinks are affordable, and the atmosphere is unforgettable. Our third city is the enchanting Prague. Known as the City of 100 Spires, it's not only beautiful but also very kind to your wallet. Take a stroll through the Old Town Square, where you'll find the iconic astronomical clock and stunning Gothic architecture. Don't forget to climb to the top of the clock tower for panoramic views of the city. You can enjoy world-class architecture, affordable local brews, and hearty Czech dishes for a fraction of what you'd pay elsewhere in Europe. Don't miss trying goulash with dumplings. And if you're looking for a peaceful escape, take a walk along the Vltava River or enjoy a boat ride. The city's charm is simply irresistible. And don't miss the famous ruin bars, unique, eclectic spots built into abandoned buildings. Drinks are affordable and the atmosphere is unforgettable. Next, let's talk about Sofia, Bulgaria. This city offers a mix of rich history and modern vibes, all at a bargain price. Sofia is unique because you can enjoy the buzz of a capital city and still have access to nature. Vitosha Mountain, perfect for hiking and skiing, is just a short drive away. From ancient Roman ruins to vibrant street art, Sofia is full of surprises. And the best part? It's one of the cheapest capitals in Europe. Don't forget to explore the local markets, where you can pick up handmade crafts and fresh produce at incredibly low prices. Last but not least, we're off to Valencia, Spain. This sunny city combines beautiful beaches, futuristic architecture, and delicious paella, all at a reasonable price. Stroll through the charming old town, visit the Valencia Cathedral, and don't miss the bustling Mercado Central, where you can sample fresh local delicacies. Valencia is perfect if you're looking for a mix of relaxation and culture. The beaches are stunning, and the fresh orange juice here? Unbeatable! Wrap up your day with a sunset by the beach or a relaxing evening stroll along the Turia Gardens, a lush park built in a former riverbed. So there you have it. 5 incredible European cities that are easy on the wallet and perfect for a quick getaway. Which one will you visit first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more budget travel tips. See you next time!